Hello guys, Steve here, Jegs RC, and on the workbench I got the Jegs Torch monster truck. You remember I broke the front carrier when I slammed into that rock in my backyard. I got the new parts and I want to show you what I did with it. Here's the C carriers right here. And what I did, let me get something there, a pointer. What I did was I went around the top, around the front. You could see there, it's shiny. With that shoe goo, the goop glue. I went all the way to the bottom. I didn't go over the seam. You could probably go over the seam a little bit because you could always peel it off. That may make it even stronger, but I didn't do that. I went around the front, around the top. I don't know if you guys could see. I went around the back the same way and put a nice, you can see from the side here, a nice thick bead. I used this method on my lossy LMT when I had the weak first gen axles, and that made it hold up. I didn't snap any axles. So I did this to the torch on both sides so it would strengthen it. Let me show you. I did it on both sides and then I got to put it together. Another thing you may want to do with yours, guys, see the axles, the drives, when you break something here they could fly out. I found mine in the backyard. You may want to put some red paint or fluorescent paint on them so when they fly out you could find them easy. That's what I'm going to do with mine. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. I just painted the end on these, the dog bones. Let me take one out to show you. I just got the end right there and painted it because I didn't have no spray paint, and I was also thinking maybe it wouldn't go in through the burring if you spray painted it. Probably will if you do a light coat, but all I did was put it on the outside so that way if it flies out, you're looking on the ground, you'll be able to see a red thing much better than the black alone. But anyhow, that's what I did with a little shoe goo. It worked for my LMT. I'm hoping it'll strengthen this up a little bit because that's the weak part on this chassis, is these C carriers here. And also the way I did the shocks with only a hair little bit of oil, a lube. This one I emptied it all out and put the spring on with the one, see this spacer here. I took it for a run and I was going over real bumpy stuff and it didn't bounce a lot like when it was stock. It would just bounce up in the air and flip over. So I did this to all four corners and you could see, I'll show you again. I know I showed you a lot, guys, but I want everyone to be able to do this so their truck works better. See how much softer it is? It works so much better. Anyhow, guys, I gotta put this back together. It's a fun little truck. It's not super fast, but it's fun. It has a lot of torque. Probably want to get a wheelie bar on this sucker because it does wheelies a lot on the 2S. I know guys ran it on 3S. I never tried it yet, but it's fun. There she is, all put together again, all ready to bash. Gooped C-hubs, painted drives, all ready to go. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching as always, and I appreciate all you guys' support. Comments are awesome, and the likes, I like those. Share the video if you can, that would be awesome. And if you're new watching, hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos, and just subscribe. You'll enjoy my channel. I do a lot of RC stuff. Thanks, guys. I hope this helps anyone out there at one of these rigs. See you later.